Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I want to discuss a few points about Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata is an industrialist and former chairman of Tata Group. Ratan Tata net worth is 1 billion US dollars as per Forbes magazine list released in the year 2020. One of the interesting quote of Ratan Tata is, "I don't believe in taking right decisions. I take decisions and make them right." Ratan Tata loves dogs so much. He had two pet dogs. Their names are Tito and Maximus. This is one of the luxurious house owned by Ratan Tata. It is situated in Mumbai. It has an area of 14,000 square feet. Its cost is around 150 crores. Ratan Tata loves flights and flying. Ratan Tata was the first Indian pilot to operate F-16 Falcon aircraft in the year 2007. Becoming the chairman of Tata Group in 1991, he brought international recognition that made Tata Group a multinational company. All this was made possible through his business skills. The company made 5.7 billion US dollars in 1991. Ratan Tata made it around 110 billion US dollars in the year 2019. Revenge story in Ratan Tata life. In the year 1999, Tata car business was in losses. Ratan Tata decided to sell the company to Ford Motors. In the meeting, Bill Ford insulted and said that, "You don't know anything. Why do you start the car business?" In the year 2008, Ford subsidiary companies Jaguar and Land Rover was in losses. Bill Ford wanted to sell the companies. Ratan Tata took the chance and bought both the companies Jaguar and Land Rover for 2.3 billion US dollars in the year 2008. Ford board of directors thanked Tata by saying that you are doing a big favor by buying Jaguar and Land Rover. Ratan Tata took revenge of insult from the Ford. Tata Group chairmen. As of 2020, there are 8 chairmen of Tata Group. Number 1, Jamshedji Tata from 1868 to 1904. Number 2, Dorab Tata 1904 to 1932. Nauroji 1932 to 1938. JRD Tata 1938 to 1991. Ratan Tata 1991 to 2012. Cyrus Mistry 2012 to 2016. Ratan Tata 2016 to 2017. Natarajan Chandrasekharan 2017 and present he is continuing. I have a question for you. Where was Ratan Tata born? The answer is Surat city in Gujarat state. Tata Business Empire. Tata Group was founded in the year 1868. Now it has 100 plus companies which are established in 175 countries. Tata Group has an annual revenue of 114 billion US dollars. It is one of the most valuable company in India. Now I am going to discuss a few points about Tata Consultancy Service, which is also known as TCS. TCS is the Asia's largest IT company with 4 lakh plus employees. TCS revenue is 23 billion US dollars. TCS professionals work on technological areas like upskilling in artificial intelligence, machine learning, application development and software management. This pie chart shows the revenue of TCS. TCS mainly generates the revenue from banking and financial services. Now I am going to discuss a few points about Tata Motors. Tata Motors was established in the year 1945 by JRD Tata. It is also known as Telco, Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company. Tata Motors is an Indian multinational automotive manufacturing company. Tata Motors has a revenue of 42 billion US dollars. Tata Motors manufactures passenger cars, utility vehicles, trucks and buses. Tata Motors own 2 luxurious car brands, Jaguar and Land Rover. Tata Indica was the first passenger hatchback from Tata Motors. As of July 2009, monthly sales of Indica were around 15,000 units. Totally it sold 14.69 lakh units with a record number of sales till now. Infosys chairman Narayana Murthy's wife Sudha Murthy was the first female worker hired at Tata Motors. Tata Motors is in 3rd position in car sales market. The company total sales stood at 18,583 units in the month of August. Now I am going to discuss a few points about Tata Steel. Tata Steel was started by Jamshedji Tata in the year 1907. Tata Iron and Steel Company (TISCO) is an Indian multinational steel manufacturing company based in Jamshedpur. It has the capacity to produce 10 million tons per annum. Tata Iron and Steel is listed in Fortune Global 500 companies. Tata Steel was used in Burj Khalifa, which is one of the tallest buildings in the planet. I am going to discuss a few points about Tata Chemicals. Tata Chemicals is the world's third largest producer of sodium bicarbonate. It has wide range of applications that range from food to pharmaceuticals. Tata Chemicals became the market leader in Indian brand iodized salt segment. Tata Chemicals also sell the moong dal and spices under the brand name Tata Sampann. Guess Ratan Tata favorite car brand. Answer is Ferrari. Ratan Tata loves to drive Ferrari car. Do you know which is the India's first 5-star hotel? Answer is Taj Palace, Mumbai. Let's see the luxurious hotels that Tata Group own. Number 1. Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai. Jai Mahal Palace, Jaipur. Taj Lake Palace, Udaipur. Taj Falaknama Palace, Hyderabad. Taj Resort and Spa, Maldives. Taj Palace, Dubai. Taj Resort and Spa, Goa. Airline business. Tata Group has airline business. Its name is Vistara Airlines. In Vistara Airlines, Tata Group holds 51% stake and Singapore Airlines own 49% stake. Tata Group also has a major stake in AirAsia. How do Titan Group earn money? Titan manufactures watches, jewelry and eyewear. In the total, 82% of Titan's profit get from Tanishq Jewelers, and it also gets the profit 12.41% from Titan watches, and it gets 2.59% of the profit from Titan EyePlus. Interesting facts about Tata Group. In the year 1954, Tata Motors truck travelled 8,000 miles from Geneva to Mumbai without a single breakdown. Tata Group has the India's largest solar plant in Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Do you know which city is known as Steel City of India? The answer is Jamshedpur, the city of steel. There is a railway station in Jamshedpur which is named as Tata Nagar Junction because it is situated near Tata Steel Industry. The Tata Group is the backbone of Indian Army when it comes to armored trucks. The company is supplying vehicles to Indian Army for the past several decades. Tata Motors has the deal with Thailand Royal Army that they will supply 600 military trucks to Thailand. Tata Nano is the most affordable car in the world, which was launched in the year 2008. Founder of Tata Group Jamshedji Tata was the first Indian to own a car. If America has the biggest multinational company, Amazon, then India has Tata, which is the backbone of India. Is Ratan Tata married? The answer is Ratan Tata is still unmarried, but came close to marriage 4 times. Ratan Tata fell in love with a girl in America and both were ready to marry, but he had come back to India due to poor health of his grandmother. I want to discuss a few points about Tata Trusts. Ratan Tata plays a major role in Tata Trusts. 60% of Ratan Tata's wealth goes back to people in the form of education, medicine and rural development. Ratan Tata donates 1000 crores as a Diwali gift for cancer patients. Tata Sons and Tata Trust donated 1500 crores to fight against COVID-19. Ratan Tata also said that not only 1500 crores, if my country is in trouble, I am ready to donate my whole property. If humanity has a face, that will be Ratan Tata. Thanks for watching my video.